From a very young age, I was interested in cosmetology. I was always into doing hair and makeup and nails. Everything that I learned in class is valuable. The knowledge is just endless. The teachers really bond with you there, and they really care about you there. It's not like you're just there for 9 months and they're trying to pass you through. The teachers really take their time to teach you, to get to know you and unlock your potentials. The best piece of advice that Mrs. Shawless gave me was to master something in your craft and then move on. You can't really get good at everything all at once. It feels really good to open a business and not have to work for anyone else anymore, and I can take care of the clients the way I want to. I don't have to rush anyone out the door. With cosmetology, you really have to love what you're doing, and you have to continue to develop your education. You don't just get your cosmetology hours and then you're done learning. You have to continue to put forth the effort to do classes and watch videos and do tutorials so that you can continue to gain knowledge of new trends. I'm really excited to own my own salon for the possibilities for the future. It's just been an amazing journey.